What if I told you that 5 free extensions, completely free, completely open source, could block every ad, stop every tracker, clean every sketchy link, automate your most tedious browser tasks, and kill your social media addiction? No subscriptions, no paywalls, no shady companies selling your data. I'm going to keep this tight because your time matters, and honestly, so does your privacy. Today, I'm breaking down 5 Firefox extensions I actually use, every single one of them free and open source. And yes, that last part matters a lot. I'll explain why as we go. Let's start with the one everyone should have installed already. uBlock Origin. This is not your average ad blocker. uBlock Origin is a content blocker, and there's a meaningful difference. Most blockers just hide ads. uBlock Origin blocks ads, trackers, malware domains, coin miners, pop-ups, and anti-blocker scripts at the network level. And they never even load. Your browser doesn't waste a single millisecond on them. It runs on multiple filter lists, all curated by the community and updated constantly. But it works best in Firefox, not Chrome. Google's manifest changes have made Chrome less compatible, and I'd strongly recommend switching to Firefox as your daily browser if you haven't already. If you go into advanced mode, you get a per-site firewall, a full point-and-click interface for controlling exactly what any website is allowed to load. It's genuinely powerful, and it's AGPL v3 licensed. No ads in the ad blocker, no affiliate deals. The developer doesn't even ask for donations. If you only install one thing from this video, make it uBlock Origin. Okay, stay with me here. This one is subtle, but it will change how you see every link you click. ClearURLs. You know those massive URLs you see when you share a link? Those aren't random garbage. They're tracking parameters, tiny pieces of information that tell companies exactly where you came from, what campaign brought you there, and how to build a profile on you. ClearURLs strips all of that automatically in the background before you even click. You get a clean URL, the site gets your visit, nobody else gets your data. But it also has a right-click option to copy clean links, a batch URL cleaner for processing multiple links at once, and it can even bypass some redirect tracking that happens before you hit the final destination. This extension is recommended by Privacy Tools and was featured by the New York Times Wirecutter. It's quiet, it's effective, and it runs completely invisibly. Ever needed to download a bunch of files from a page, images, PDFs, audio files, and had to click each one individually like some kind of animal? DownThemAll fixes that. It's a full batch download manager built right into Firefox. You open it on any page, it scans all the links and media, and you filter exactly what you want by file type, by name pattern, whatever, then queue them all at once. Hundreds of files, organized, renamed if you want, downloading in parallel without hammering the browser. And it's not flashy, it just works, and for anyone who deals with bulk downloads regularly, it's irreplaceable. This one is the wild card, and honestly, the one with the highest ceiling. Automa is a browser automation tool, and unlike most automation software, you don't need to write a single line of code. You build workflows visually, drag and drop blocks, connect them together, fill this form, click this button, wait 2 seconds, scrape this data, take a screenshot, save the result. You can chain those blocks into any sequence you want, and then either run the workflow on demand or schedule it to run automatically. The use cases are wide open. Automatically log into sites, fill out repetitive forms, scrape product prices and track changes over time, screenshot pages for records, run the same sequence of steps every morning without touching the keyboard. There's also a community marketplace where people share pre-built workflows, so you can grab something that already does what you need and customize from there. This is the kind of power that used to require Python scripts and browser automation libraries. Now it's a Firefox extension with a drag-and-drop interface. Last one, and it might be the most impactful for your day-to-day life. Feed Eradicator. You open Twitter, you open Facebook, you open LinkedIn, and instead of the infinite scroll designed to keep you there for 3 hours, you see a single inspirational quote on a clean white background. That's it. Done. The feed is gone. You can still use the site, post message, check notifications, but the part engineered to hijack your attention is just removed. It supports multiple platforms, it's dead simple, and the developers made a deliberate choice to keep it that way. They described the project as intentionally done, not abandoning it, but keeping it lean and maintenance light so it stays reliable without constant updates. There's something almost philosophical about that. The tool that fights the attention economy is built by people who chose not to chase engagement themselves. Quick note before I wrap. Every single one of these extensions is open source, meaning the code is public, anyone can read it, and the community can audit it. For something that runs inside your browser with access to everything you do online, that's not a small thing. You're not trusting a company's promise. You're trusting code that experts have reviewed. That's a fundamentally different level of trust. So there it is, uBlock Origin for blocking everything that shouldn't load, ClearURLs for keeping your links clean, DownThemAll for batch downloading, Automa for automating the boring stuff, and Feed Eradicator for getting your attention back. All free, all open source, all worth installing today. Drop your favorite Firefox extensions in the comments. I'm always looking for the next one to add to the list. If you enjoyed this project, like, follow, and subscribe, and let's keep building a future where privacy and open source come first. Got a feature idea or a suggestion? Drop a comment below, but I'd love to hear your feedback. Cheers.